Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, I want to talk to you about how to build an information product and build an email list fast, and how you can make money with good quality PLR, specifically as an affiliate. So let's first start off, and towards the end, I'm going to show you exactly where you can get some of that good, high quality PLR to build your own information product, and that'll let you build a list. And again, as an affiliate for some other folks' products that have gone through all the hard work and put the product together. But even you as an affiliate, you need to create content to build an audience and be able to provide them valuable information that they'll, at that point, trade their email address to you for your content. And of course, your content is addressing their problem and guiding them towards the solution, which you as an affiliate are going to make a commission off of. So let's focus on this creating an info product. There's tons and tons of things that go into creating info products and delivering info products, not to even mention creating the content and putting all that together. So for example, right here, you can see inside my product Dino, which is a cloud-based solution that allows me to deliver information products. You can see one right here called Social Media Marketing Course. So inside of this, you have to go through here, you have to set up domain accesses, payment gateways, customize it to make it look the way you want it. But the key that I want to focus on here is the content. So yes, this is a way to deliver the content inside of Product Dino, and it integrates with lots of payment gateways like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, with lots of carts like ThriveCart, SamCart, Pay Kickstart, things like that. But you can see just this level, just this short program, you can see right here inside of this product, there are these titles. And inside each one of these titles are videos and written content and checklists and all that good stuff. So you can see that just right there, just coming up with a simple product and a simple outline is the first hurdle before you even start creating the content and delivering the content. Not to mention creating the funnel, the pages that go in the funnel, and then your follow-up email series. So you need to think about all that. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about all the other components that go into it, let alone creating the content. So I'll hop over to my Funnelytics account and you can see some example funnels here. But what I want to do is I want to drill down and show you some of these other funnels. For example, Charisma on Command and Digital Marketer.com Secrets, some traffic funnels. But specifically in this case, the product that I'm going to show you that is a PLR product that's high quality that you can use to start creating your own information product to use as an affiliate to collect leads and build an email list fast are these right here that are in the health niche. So Fit to Fat and Organifi. You can see here that they've had to go inside of these funnel hacked funnels of these information products. So on the back end of these funnels are information products. So not only do you have to build out all the content for the information product, have some way to deliver it, a membership page, but you also have to build all the pages in the front, the squeeze page, the thank you page, and then a nice page like a home page just to act as like an advertorial or a blog that you can redirect people to, or you can run an ad to from Facebook, for example. So you can see here all the components inside of these. If I was to drill into one of these, for example, the Fit to Fat. So as you can see here, you'll see the full funnel for this Fit to Fat product to include their information products, but this applies to everything. So Facebook traffic to a sales page, to an order page, upsells, downsells, another upsell, order confirmation pages, download pages, and then they even have it linked to a Shopify store. So whatever products they're selling on the back end, plus their information products, they all had to create. And again, just like I showed you inside of Product Dino, just a basic product that you see here, one that I host on my Product Dino account, that content all has to be created, and you start with a simple outline before, again, you move into all this other funnel stuff, page builders, building the pages, email follow-up sequences, and everything. So let's stop and think as an affiliate marketer, why are we in affiliate marketing? We're in affiliate marketing because at this stage, we don't want to build out everything you see here. The sales pages, the order pages, the upsell, downsells, the order confirmations, all the download pages. But also as an affiliate marketer, what you can do is you can scale this down to make your affiliate marketing that much more powerful, and you can create many information products that you can give to your audience to make sure you're helping out them as best as you can, and then leading them on to another solution, such as the Fit to Fat program, to put them inside of this vendor funnel. And then you'd be able, again, to earn commissions off of that. So you as an affiliate marketer don't need to just think about narrow-mindedly finding people to send into someone else's information product, but what you can do is you can take and get some good high quality PLR, just like the PLR I'm about to show you, and you can take that information, you can edit that into your own information product and deliver that to your audience to help them and show them that the next step in their journey is, for example, this Fit to Fat program that, again, you'll earn a commission for. So let me show you what I'm talking about with this high quality PLR, and then I'm also going to show you the bonus package that I put together to get that mini information product that resembles what you see here on the page as far as a funnel up and running even quicker. And again, building that email list fast, getting those customers, your audience, your tribe that you're building over to something like Fit to Fat by providing high quality content that helps them solve their problem. So what I have here, and there'll be a link in the description over to the bonus page, and I'm going to show you the bonus page real quick, and there'll be a video on that bonus page explaining this in even more detail, how to set all this up, and the components that I'm giving you as a bonus. So again, make sure you check out that link in the description, and you can check out this product and how to build your own mini information product to start building your own email list using this PLR to make money. So here you can see Tiffany Lambert turned a simple outline into a full content funnel with over 60 pages and 26,000 motivating words of nutrition and stress relief content, again, to help your audience. This is key, right? So you're going to see right here, there's an introduction, and this is breaking the chains of emotional eating. And what you can see here is you can see there's a full ebook with all the chapters here. Again, this is done for you content, research done for you. All you have to do is go through here, read it, put it in your voice, edit it, make sure that it fits exactly the program that you're wanting. For example, the Fit to Fat program, if that helps an audience that you've built, that you're going to build using this content, you can easily take this content and make it and shape it so it leads them into Fit to Fat. And you're going to see you get the ebook right there. You're going to get a bonus report. Again, this is going to be something you can set up on your squeeze page to build your email list and get them inside of there. You're going to get this lead magnet as well. You're going to get a 7-part email autoresponder series right here so you can deliver those follow-up emails once people come into your squeeze page and you start building that email list. Here's a set of 5 articles that you could easily turn into an information product, a mini information product on a mini membership page, which I'm going to give you on my bonus page, and I'm going to show you that in a second. And again, the video on the bonus page, the link in the description, is going to explain exactly how to do that. And as part of the bonus, when you pick it up, when you get the bonus files, I'm going to have a little mini training on how to get all that set up on free hosting as well. So you're going to be able to see right here that you can take these articles, you can edit them, add your voice, and this is done for you content, done for you research that you can easily take this high quality PLR, make money from it by creating your own little mini information product. And again, going back to that funnel, stick your information product, your little mini information product in front of this funnel, really truly help your audience. Not just perceived value, the perceived value will be super high, but the real value will be tremendous as well because you're using all of this high quality content that you can see right here to really address a real problem that your audience has, specifically in this, talking about emotional eating, health, nutrition, and getting them over to a program like Fit to Fat that can truly help them turn their life around and address the problems, the real struggles they have in their life. And that's exactly how you use something like this right here, Breaking the Chains of Emotional Eating PLR. Again, 60 pages of 26,000 motivating words that you can fully take and edit and use as your own to build out a little mini information product in front of a vendor sales page that you can use to help your audience get them over to that program and start earning commissions. Now real quick, let me show you that bonus page that when you click on the link, it's going to take you over there so you know exactly what you're going to get when you land on the bonus page so you don't have any surprises. So again, when you clicked on that link, it's going to take you over to this bonus page, and you can see this is the Breaking the Chains of Emotional Eating PLR review and bonus page right here. There'll be this little image that you will see on the sales page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a video right here for you to watch that's going to explain everything that you're going to get here to include the bonus report, taking your diet to the next level. Also a bonus email autoresponder series of 52 done-for-you emails. All you have to do is edit the emails, upload them into your email autoresponder. And here's the key where I said you could build out that little mini information product, that little mini funnel of your own to build that email list. I'm going to give you a done-for-you squeeze page. I'm going to give you a home page, a thank you page for them to download any of the reports that you get inside the PLR pack that you edit. So you're going to have a nice little report once they get on your email list. And then also, what you see right here in this page is a nice little membership page that you're going to bring them to. Once you get them on your email list, you're going to redirect them back to this little mini membership page, and you're going to give them high quality content. For example, eating when stressed. It's never about food, building a new relationship with your food, loving yourself, loving your food. Also, there's a little video here that I've done for you that I'm going to provide you. Talks about portion control. And again, all this content that you as an affiliate marketer are creating inside your little mini information product is designed to build your email list, build rapport, trust, and really truly help your audience, and then get them over to that product that again is going to take them to that next level once they've gone through all of your content and get their mindset correct and on the right path to really making a change in their life, specifically in a niche like this about emotional eating. So again, you're going to get right there, you're going to get a home page, a squeeze page, a thank you page, a membership page with a little video about portion control. This is all done for you. It's fully editable to make it change the colors, change the wording, add in your voice so it matches your audience, and you can do all that on free hosting as well. Again, bonus follow-up email series, bonus report. All you got to do, click on the link in the description. It'll take you over to this review and bonus page. It'll explain everything else, and you can start setting up that little mini funnel in front of any of those products that you're promoting and provide real quality value using some great done-for-you PLR to make money. So if this video is helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.